inside in the background here.
Hey guys, it's me. Even though you don't.
Shut up! Right, let's get right into the gameplay. Today we are playing, obviously. You can see Subway Surfers. I tried to hack the game, the new version, but it was very hard. I had the old version though. I don't really have much money, so let's just get right into the gameplay. Let's see. I don't have any money right now, but we'll see if we can make some money. Let's see how far we can make it. And then later on in the video, we'll try to hack the game, and hopefully it works.
He's really good at this game.
I know. Better than you.
You can't say.
I'm not as good, but as some of those players, but I'm fairly equipped. See how far we can make it, and then I'm going to let my god sister play and see how far she can make it and compare our scores. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Then we'll compare our scores. After we compare our scores, we're gonna see who wins, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show how to hack the game. Please don't show the authorities or whoever created Subway Surfers, please, because this is how to make unlimited money and unlimited keys, and you can max out levels and stuff and beat all the missions and get all the boards and get all the people. Cause I did this before. It's very easy. See how far we can make it. Okay, we're gonna see how far we can make it to without the hacks and how far we can make it with the hacks. This video might be a long one, but we're gonna try to make it as short as possible.
It's very successful.
Yep. Trying to make as much money as possible and trying to make it as short as possible. Oh crap. Let's see how far we can make it. Hopefully no one disturbs us right now. No more boards, or let's use one key. Let's use one key for the vid. One key for the video. From now on, you have one key. You hear that, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, my. Your chance. Hold on. Let's see what's my score.
Now
Let's
it's
see,
me.
let's see. My score is 14,000. Let's see yours. Oh. Only one key you have. Only one.
Only one key? Well, that's good enough because I'm pretty good at this.
Huh. Yeah.
I spoke a little bit too early, but the key was worth it.
It just missed the whatever you call it.
I don't know what.
Window.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. 2,000. Hopefully you die.
What?
Hopefully you die.
Hopefully.
Yes, hopefully.
So all this time you wishing I was dead? Well, at least in the game.
Die. Please don't beat my soul. Please don't beat my soul. Okay, you're almost there. You need to die. You need to die.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Am I gonna die? I'm beating you. I'm beating you.
No, it's not 4,000 to go.
What?
Yep. Just die, no.
How much did I get so far?
You have 10,000. 11,000. Yes! I won.
How much you got? 14,000.
Yep. Oh, yes, I still beat you. By 7. By 100.
Fair.
Okay, now let's see if we can hack the game. Watch this. Let's see if we can buy any money. Buy anything. See? So let's see. Can't buy anything here. See? No hacks already. No hacks. Now let's see if we can hack the game. Maybe it might not work, but let's see. Just scroll across here to Lucky Patcher. And now you want to go into Subway Surfers. Open menu of patches created modded